थांखिनि सोमोन्दै नोंथांमोनहा मिथिगौ बे गोमो गाबा दुलाराय बर' माहारिनि मंगलियान फोलेरनि गाबखौ दिन्थिनाय जादों आरो बेयाव दाहाल आरो थुंग्रि जोङो बेयाव सिम्बल हिसाबै दोननाय जादों नोंथांमोनहा गमामायैनो दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादनि जिल्लानि सिङाव जेनोखि जोंहा मोनसे इमब्लेम एबा सिम्बल होनाय दंखायो दाहाल आरो थुंग्रि बे दाहाल आरो हारि थांनायनि आलादा हादोर दानायनि जेनाखि मोनसे सुबुंनि बिग्रायखांनाय गोख्रों मोनसे सोमावसारनाय लाबोनाय जादों बे सोमावसारनाया दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादनि बे गोदार बिलाइयाव होखानाय बे थांखिखौनो दाहाल आरो थुंग्रिखौ लानानै जों दा मावफुंगासिनो दङ होननानै जोङो गोख्रोङै बुंनो हायो अदेबानि जोंनिया दाबिया फासयनायनिख्रुइ जोंहा दावगासिनोसो बे राहाखौ जोङो मोननो थाखाय जों दा जोबथा मोनसे थांखि लानांसिगौ गोसोखौ माने क्लियार खालामनानै जोङो आन्दलनाव ओंखारबोनांसिगौ आरो जोंनि थांखिखौ हाजार हाजार जोंनि हौवा हिनजाव गथ' गथाय बयबो बोराय बेन्थ सेंग्रा सिख्ला लैहोर लैहोर हाजार हाजार खस्थ' दुखु दारला बेफोरखौ सहायनायनि थाखाय आरो जातिनि थांनाय थैनायनि हाबायाव बारसोमनायनि थाखाय बर' माहारिखौ मोनसे गेदेमा माहारि हिसाबै बुहुमाव गायसननायनि थाखाय जे सुबुंनि जांख्रिखांनाय बे सुबुंनि जांख्रिखांनायाव नोंथांमोना बयबो लैहोर लैहोर बाहागो लाफैनायनि थाखाय आङो नोंथांमोननो बयनोबो खर'गंग्लायै जांख्रिथायारि मोनसे अभिनन्दन साबायखर बावहरनाय जाबाय खर'गंग्लायै गेदेमा बर' माहारि हिसाबै जोङो गायसननो हानांगोन बेनि थाखायनो जोङो दिनै आलादा न'खर हादोर दानायनि बे हाबाफारिखौ लानानै आलादा न'खर हादोर दायोब्लासो मोनसे राजनैतिक पावार आत्मनियन्त्रण गावखौनो गाव सासन खालामनायनि अधिकार मोनोब्लासो जोंनि दुलाराय बर' माहारिनि हाजार जेंना जेंना बायदिसिना समस्या बेफोर सानसे समाव समाधान गोनां जागोन सानसे समाव सुफुंजागोन आरो आलादा न'खर हादोर मोनोब्लासो आलादा मोनसे राजनैतिक क्षमता मोनोब्लासो बे दुलाराय बर' माहारिखौ बुहुमाव मोनसे गेदेमा माहारि हिसाबै फसंथानो हागोन बे सत्य बाथ्रा बे बास्तब अभिज्ञताखौ नुनानै दिनै जोङो दुलाराय बर' फरायसाफोरा आलादा मोनसे न'खर हादोर सोरजिनो थाखाय आलादा मोनसे न'खर हादोर सोरजिनाय राजनैतिक क्षमतानि गेजेरजों जेरैबो साखाथि फाखाथि सोरगिदिं निरापत्ता रैखाथि मोननो थाखाय जेरैबो सोरगिदिं जौगाखांनो थाखाय आरो जौगाखांनानै गेदेमा बर' माहारि खालामनो थाखाय जांख्रिखांनो नोंथांमोना बयबो हौवा हिनजाव जांख्रिखां बोराय बेन्थ जांख्रिखां सेंग्रा सिख्ला जांख्रिखां गथ' गथाय बयबो जांख्रिखां বিপ্লব
তাহা ভূটান আরো অরুণাচল প্রদেশ নিগাহায়া আলাদা হাবের দানায় বুলিং মুসলিম নিষ্কলাহা ফাইলের কলকাতা ডিস্ট্রিক্ট কাউন্সিল বানায় খালি আন্দোলনে বড় প্রত ভারত সংবিধিটি নদীকৃতি কন্যায় আর হারিয়ে গুরুমন্ত্রের না চৌধুরী ছায়া দাবে অবলম্বে দাবি সুকুম গাইরি মন্ত্রে সুকুম যান্ত্রিকানায় খারাপ নাচনে দ বড় গোবন গোবন প্রায়ের পাহাড়ি জায়গায় আলাদা শহরে আলাদা নকল হারত দাঁড়ায় আরে বড় পাহাড় পৌঁছাও কেরালার পাহাড়ি মহলে কয়েকজন মানে দাঁড়ায় একজনই সীমা উত্তর নাই না মন্ত্রের দাঁড়িয়ে গেলে সীমা উত্তর নাই আর শুভঙ্গি বিজয় খাওয়ায় মানে না দ্বিতীয় সীমা উত্তর নাই না বড় পাহাড় নিচে বেরাও আর সামনে গাড়ি মিনাও রাখা বিনা একজনের সীমা উত্তর নাই না গাড়ি মিনাও রেপকা রেপকা আরাম ছিল আমাদের আরেক জমানা আসাম সরকার আরে পার্বতী সীমাও বরাবর সমস্যা সমাধান
Yes, last February 11 also we had the five-party round of talks.
I heard you were suspending your agitation, right?
Yes, so far we have suspended, but we are depending on the fourth round of talks. Next time, if that the fourth round of talks is failed, then we might have to resume the agitation again. That was supposed to be held within February, but so far we have not got any invitation.
Rajiv Gandhi, the talk.
That I don't see any such difference, but I think VPC is honest enough. Honest. Rajiv Gandhi, I don't want to say, but as you know, everything know this food, channel, etc. Yes, that is very well. Bodos are 70% landless, and 70% Bodo people are below poverty line. And we the Bodo people, the tribals, are living in jungles. You know, these landless people have to encroach these forest lands. They have to settle down there on the hard. They don't have proper houses to live in. They don't have proper food to eat. Poverty is striking people, very much poor. And these Assamese people, they are in bureaucrats, ruling class, in offices, administration, in jobs, etc. And these tribal people have got only 10% reservation quota. And out of 10%, Bodos might be getting 1% or like that. So economically very bad. Employment opportunity, land problem, so many problems are here. And we have got this educational problem also. We have got Bodo medium as in medium of instruction of the secondary stage. But these schools also do not have proper facilities, no teachers, no proper funds, no buildings, like that. That is around 30%.
30?
Yes. But in our proposed borderland, it is 70%. And we have got 40 lakh Bodo population.
Non-Bodo tribals in the place.
Yes, in our proposed borderland area, all the non-tribals are supporting. There's Bengali minorities, Muslims, Rajbanshis, Sound towers.
Other state like West Bengal and this Tripura nearby. There is a Bodos there also, no?
Yes.
There is.
Yes.
Side.
North Bengal, this Alipurduar side, this Bodos are here. In Tripura, this Kokboros are here. Tripuris are here.
What about them?
They're supporting us. They're supporting us. They're with us in the movement.
You propose Bodo state, are they included or
No. No, this area is here. This is the map of our borderland state, this map. This is the river Brahmaputra. And this is the proposed borderland. Under the foot is the Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh. In the north bank of the Brahmaputra only. In south bank we are demanding district council. In South Golpa and South Kamrup. And in
Nagaur district council. And in Karbi Angalam, these Bodo people should be included into the 6th schedule of Indian Constitution. But we are demanding this Bodoland state under Article 3 of Indian Constitution, full state, this area up to Surya. This is the West Bengal border. This West Bengal border, and this is up to East Surya.
What was the role of the ABSU when the Assam agitation was on?
We did not participate with Assam agitation. However, we had some moral support as regards this foreigners issue. We supported the cause, but we did not participate in the movement. Why? Because we knew that the deep-rooted idea of the Assam movement was to grow this Assamese chauvinism, to impose their Assamese language and culture upon the non-Assamese people, upon the tribals, upon the Bengalis, upon the minorities, like it. And that is what they are doing now. Just after AGP came into power, they imposed Assamese language as the sole official language and sole medium of instruction in Assam.
What is the percentage of true Assamese speakers? That is, people of mother tongue in Assam. We are not entering the records for the sake of record. What is the genuine percentage of Assamese speakers mother tongue in Assam?
Khas Assamese percentage is around 30%. These non-Assamese people are majority total. Yes. In Assam, around 30%, and in our proposed Bodoland, there is 70%. Yes, we have done our census here. Here also we have given some data. You can go to, of course. In our proposed Bodoland state, around 61 lakh population will be there. Out of that, 42 lakh 96,000 tribal population will be there. And around 33 lakh 50,000 Bodo population will be there. Some of the Bodo population will be in the South Bengal, Brahma. They will be included in 6th schedule district council. And in central government nothing नहीं बात को बोलाई जाओ भैया किंतु महामारी हुए बिंदाने बूंद किंतु जब बुंदम आसाम में ऑस्ट्रेलिया पर डॉक्टर है ना पुलिस ने वाइट करा कुल मुझे जो समय करा है बोरानी मेरा पता करा है देखाई जो ना आधार के मुंडो हमारे तरह हावे आज जो बोलना हावे आज पुलिस ने वाइट करा है बालों हावे नहीं जो कैबले घूमे खड़े और वही आदानी सेंट्रल कांग्रेस रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ग्राम विलास पासवाना बुझेंगे बिजली लैंड प्रॉब्लम हानि प्रॉब्लम साथ ही बाकी समस्या बाकी जो गवर्नमेंट पुलिस ने होता था बेकुल जो ने बिना बुझना हरम नाय जो सामने दादानो जनता गुरुत्व अनुपात लाइवाई जे समाव सामने को जिन्हें दो बार सामना है ना जो राइट रूप ले मनने हो गया जो मेरा सब तो न मनने आज हमको राइट मनने का राइट ऐसे ग्राउंड को समाव सामने आ जब समाव सामने हो तो आप दोस्तों को जाना को दोस्तों को जाना राइट को जिन्हें dari mana orang khusus lambat, kalau dia mesti saya, anak kita orang mana semua mana yang mana, jangan orang Basic truth is that this Assam government, its officials, bureaucrats, ministers, policemen, all are anti-tribal. So whatever these economic package or developmental schemes are sorted out or chalk out, this cannot be sincerely implemented in true sense. So this implementation is not possible under this anti-tribal government and its bureaucrats. So that is why the solution is the separation, the division of Assam and creation of separate state of Bodoland. It is not true, it is baseless one. I have been protesting these things. This is not true at all. And Mr. Monto, he has sent his words now. He himself has said that Roe has dissociated from action now. He said, and Roe did not associate us earlier also. We protested in yesterday's talk. He could not produce any document also. He charged that it is
Rose spent 3 crores of rupees in absent movement or like that.
No, unfortunately, these money that is
That is
spent
not
or, these things are not documented. So you obviously will not have receipts or thing, but
No. How it can be proved? This is not true at all. This is not true. And our king is very much clear. Except Bodofa, we are not going to accept.
Boro land is the only thing that you're going to accept.
Yes.
And if Boro land is not given to you,
There will be this struggle
for how long?
continuously till it is accepted. Yes, we are ready to fight.
And how will you fight?
We'll have to manage.
Will you have violence?
Anything else?
Will you go underground?
Not that. Not that.
Will you take help of countries bordering India?
No. No. We don't have
So
society.
your fight will be within the Constitution of India, and
Yes,
within the Constitution
yes,
of India.
definitely. Definitely. We are very much democratic and constitutional. We are demanding only the constitutional provision of our